How to delete a Facebook page. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed into your Facebook page and not your Facebook profile. So if you are signed into your Facebook profile, then you can go ahead and switch your Facebook page if you want to delete the page. So once you are on your Facebook page, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, you will be led to the settings and privacy page of Instagram. In here, scroll down to the Your Information tab and you will see the option for access and control. Tap on that and then go ahead and choose the delete page option you see there and then tap on the continue option you see there. You will then be required to choose a reason for why you are deleting the account. Then tap on the continue option and then tap on continue again. You will then be shown with options such as if you want to save your posts in archive or if you want to download your information. So go through that and save your post if you want or download your information if you want and then tap on the continue button. You will then be required to enter your Facebook account's password. So enter your password and tap on the continue button again and finally tap on the delete page option you see there and make sure that if you delete your account then you will not be able to retrieve the content or information that the page holds. So if you are sure of deleting your account, then tap on the delete page option you see there, and with this, your page will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Facebook page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.